The Nothing Phone 3 wasn't trying to blend in. It was trying to make every other smartphone look boring as hell. Because, let's be honest, walk into any phone store today and everything looks exactly the same. Big screen, big camera bump, glass sandwich, different logo, same damn phone. Then Nothing walks in and says, what if we actually made something people could recognize from across the room? And honestly, about damn time. Yo, what's good, legends? Welcome back to Uncensored Reviews, the place where fake influencer hype gets exposed, overpriced tech bullshit gets absolutely cooked, and companies trying to recycle old garbage as innovation get called out like the greedy little assholes they are. And yeah, if you're thinking about grabbing the Nothing Phone 3, I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit out after the video. If you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and all that good shit because this channel stays raw, uncensored, and brutally honest. No fake hype, no sponsored bullshit. No influencers pretending every new smartphone suddenly changed civilization. Today we're talking about the Nothing Phone 3, and holy f***, this thing actually has personality. Let's get into it. The first thing everyone notices is the design, and how could they not? Most companies are playing copy and paste with smartphone designs. Nothing looked at that boring shit and decided to do the exact opposite. The transparent back still looks futuristic. The signature lighting system gives the phone its own identity. Now let's talk about the display. Because a cool looking phone means absolutely nothing if the screen looks like garbage. Thankfully, Nothing didn't cheap out. The OLED display is gorgeous. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, brightness is strong enough for outdoor use, and scrolling feels smooth as butter. Watching YouTube? Fantastic. Gaming? Looks great. Doom scrolling social media for 3 hours instead of sleeping? Unfortunately, also fantastic. Now performance. Because flashy lights don't mean shit. The phone runs like a tired potato. Thankfully, that's not the case here. The Snapdragon processor keeps everything moving fast. Apps launch instantly. Switching between tasks feels effortless. Games run smoothly. Multitasking isn't a problem. Everything feels responsive. Now let's talk software, because this might actually be my favorite part. Nothing OS is refreshingly clean. No mountains of useless apps. No annoying duplicate software. No random bullshit you'll never open. Everything feels minimal, fast, and easy to use. It's one of the cleanest Android experiences you can get. And after spending time with phones loaded with unnecessary junk, it feels like somebody finally opened a window and let fresh air into the room. Now cameras. Because every smartphone company suddenly claims they've reinvented photography every single year. The Nothing Phone 3 actually does a solid job. Daylight photos look sharp, colors are balanced, portrait mode performs well, night shots hold up surprisingly nicely. Is it beating the absolute best flagship cameras from Apple or Samsung? Slow the f down, asshole. Not quite. But unless you're comparing photos side by side, most people are going to be seriously impressed. And that's the important part. Now, battery life. Thankfully, Nothing didn't forget people actually leave the house. The battery comfortably gets through a full day. Streaming, gaming, messaging, taking photos, browsing. It handles everyday use without giving you battery anxiety halfway through lunch. And when you finally do need to charge it, fast charging gets you back up and running quickly. Simple. No unnecessary drama. Now here's something I really appreciate. The phone doesn't feel like it's trying too hard. It isn't screaming about artificial intelligence every 5 minutes. It isn't throwing 20 useless features at you just so marketing has something to brag about. It focuses on the basics, and it does them really well. Honestly, that's refreshing, but we still need to talk about the problems, because no phone gets a free pass around here. Here's the real truth. The Nothing Phone 3 isn't trying to beat every flagship in every category. It's trying to offer something most smartphones forgot years ago: personality. It looks different, feels different. The software feels fresh. Performance is excellent. The display is beautiful. And for once, buying a phone actually feels exciting instead of choosing between 20 identical black rectangles. That's why people keep talking about Nothing. They're willing to take risks while everyone else keeps playing it safe. So, is the Nothing Phone 3 worth it? I dropped the link down below. Go check that shit. If this review helped you out, hit like, drop a comment telling me if you'd pick this over an iPhone or Galaxy, and subscribe for more real, uncensored, no bullshit tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you legends in the next one. Until then, peace the f out.